Let's take a look at this gorgeous side table that the brand sent me to check out. First of all, it's got this really cool lighted area at the bottom, and it's got some really interesting features that I've not seen before, like this little table that slides out. That's just going to give you some extra space. So nice. Love this ebony color and that leather pole. And then this raised checkerboard area. It's just so cool and unique and just something slightly different. The drawers open and close very smoothly. Check out this light. Plus it's got this plug here, which is just so handy. USB, USB-C, 2 different outlets. So handy, and just look how nice that look. It really pulls together my son's room here. I also do really like these rounded edges. It's just so nice. So let me just go ahead and get this table set up in here. I want to see how it looks. Love being able to just put in a plug right here for my phone. That's going to be so convenient. It's just a really stylish side table. Okay, so let's take a look at how these lights work. So it comes with a remote, and it's got different settings on it, different timers, different coolness levels. That's the coolest. There you go. And different brightness levels as well. Then it's got regular daylight and then warm white. Love this. It's just such a fun feature and a nice night light, and just really gives it this elevated and polished look. And again, this is just unusual and not something I've typically seen in a night table. It really pulls this whole room together. So this is what it looks like if you've got books or something loaded in it. It just adds a really nice glow effect behind it. I love it because you can actually have it on a timer as well. So it's like the perfect night light. This is absolutely perfect for my son's room. He's going to love having that as a night light.